Assalamu alaikum and hello there. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use Java math library. We will go through different methods in the math class. As you see here, we have a class called user, and this is the main methods, and we have output statement without parameters. So in this here we will use our math classes with different method. For example, the first method, for example, this is our math. Okay, suppose that we want to use the seal, right? Seal method with one parameter, like say 5.2. What seal does this method does? This is the round up this number, this value, to the round up, because we have rounded up and rounded down. So 5.2, so if you round it out, it will be like 6, right? So if you just run here, you see the result is 6. Okay, this is a round up. If I want to round the number or the value down or a button, then I'll use another method, which is floor. That means round the number to the down. Or okay, now for 5.2, if you round it down, it will be 5, right? You see. Okay, now the number or value, the output is 5. Okay, this is a two method. Okay, here also we have, for example, another method, say like max. Okay, what max does actually here, if you have two number, right, like for example 5 and 2, so what this method or max does, for example, it takes two parameter and retain the maximum, the largest. Which one is the largest? For example 5 or 2, so the output is 5. If you just run this, okay, so the output is 5. Okay, this is the max. So the opposite is min, right? If you have the same, you can write the same, or you can use also the same. You just want to copy paste here. Okay, and instead of max, I want to find the minimum. I just write min. Okay, so what min does this method? For example, find the minimum of these two numbers, right? It will give you the answer is 2. If I run this example here, you see now, for the max is 5, for the min is 2. So this is 4 different methods used in math class. Also you can use, for example, the absolute value. So if you have a negative number, it will just make it positive. For example, suppose that I use absolute value, ABS. This is for absolute value. For example, I have, for example, say minus 5, so, or minus say 100. Okay, then see, okay, now it's 100, so absolute value, so it will make the value is positive instead of negative. If negative become positive, if positive, it become remain the same. Okay, thank you very much.